G'day guys. With the compressor failures, this Forester 2014, beware that there can be a bad contact from behind on that crappy long little wire there, and it can be some type of a bad contact. That's what I diagnosed here. Subaru wanted to do a compressor on it. Basically, I've just carefully lifted that wire up and given it a new lease on life. That's now working. I've just turned it on and tested it. There's another example over here. Okay, so on the STI, it's a very short wire. That's that bronze colored wire there, the copper. Sorry. On the Forester, it's a lot longer. If that was going to happen here, I'd say you've got yourself a bit of a predicament. In that case, you would pull this off, the spacers, and then use a long, very thin tool to get the circlip out. This is a much more compact pulley than the Forester, but they are both Valeo compressors that are made in Japan. Very disappointing. The car's got 60,000 Ks on it, and yeah, very disappointing. But anyway, they wanted to do a compressor. I've just repaired it that way. Hope that helps. Bye.